Hello guys, in this video I will show you my advanced RAG agent and will show you a quick demonstration and I will explain the architecture of this project. So let's get started. Okay, so this is a quick demonstration of our RAG agent. So we will ask a question and the data is in the vector database. So for example, all the data I have is data from Wikipedia about deep learning and AI. So for example, this question, what is deep learning? So the agent will ask the vector database QDrant and it will ask for data but also for images. So as you can see, it is pretty fast to search on the vector database. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that focus on utilizing multi-layer neural network to perform tasks such as classification, regression, representation learning. This field draw inspiration from biological neuroscience and invoke stacking artificial neurons into layers and training them on process data. So this is pretty accurate, and as you can see, we can have also a quick image here. It is a neural network. I found that on Wikipedia, I guess. And this is stored on the vector database. If we have a quick look on what we have in the backend. So yeah, this is a query. What is deep learning? So this is a log for we are searching inside the vector database. As you can see, we have the score of the image. We have the payload. So the content was a description of the image and the path of the image stored locally on my computer. We can have the data from the vector database and we will give that to the LLM to make a quick response and send this back to the front end. So what we have here. So now we can ask a question which is not in the vector database. So for example, who is Napoleon Bonaparte? So this will take longer because we have the vector database, and after that we'll search on the web. So this is the response. Napoleon Bonaparte, born Napoleon di Bonaparte on August 15. So it seems to be pretty accurate, and this is data from the web. So you can see in the vector database the score is pretty low. So we search on the web, and this is the content from DuckDuckGo. Oh, we have a rate limit here, but we have the data, and this is give to the LLM to give us a response on the question we ask. So this is the workflow of my AI agent. The first part is about searching on vector database. I have two collections inside. One is for the data collection. It is all the data I have extracted from my PDF. And I have also another collection which is about image. So it is image description and image path. QDrant will give us the data, and also in the payload we will have a score. If the score is less than the threshold, we will search on the web, and what we found on the web, we will use it as the context for the LLM. I'll also use LangFuse to have more metrics about my AI agent. So as you can see, the cost of my AI agent is $0 because I use Ollama. I use Ollama because I can run locally my models, my LLM. For this RAG agent, I use Qwen 2.5 because I can use tools on it. And one thing I want to show you is the latency here. So as you can see, the search in the vector database is pretty fast, less than 1 second. The web research is take a little bit more time. It is 1.2 seconds. But what takes time in my agent is the LLM, because it is run locally on my CPU. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. The link to the repo on GitHub for this project on the description. You can also follow me on LinkedIn at Sébastien Loyer, and also don't forget to follow me on YouTube for more project ideas.